So you got a P0455 code, tightened the gas cap, and the check engine light is still on. No, that light won't turn off right away, even if you fix the problem. Your car's computer has to run its own test to be sure the leak is gone, and it only does that under very specific conditions. That P0455 code means the evaporative emissions system failed a pressure test, signaling a large leak. This system's job is to trap fuel vapors before they escape. When you fix the leak, the computer needs proof. It follows a strict checklist, called a drive cycle, to retest the system. It won't even try the test unless the conditions are just right, because things like fuel sloshing or changing air temperatures can affect the pressure reading and give a false result. Before you start driving, let's make sure that cap is actually making a good seal. A cap that clicks tight can still leak if its O-ring is old. Feel the large black rubber seal on it. If it feels hard, dry, or cracked instead of soft, it's not sealing. For a quick test, take a small dab of petroleum jelly and work a thin, even layer right onto that O-ring. This can temporarily soften it and fill in tiny cracks, creating the vacuum-tight seal the system needs to pass its test. If the light goes out after this, you know a new gas cap is the permanent fix. Next, you can force the computer to retest sooner by clearing its memory. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This clears the active trouble code. When you reconnect it, the system is ready for a new test. But be aware this may also reset your clock and radio presets. Now, the system needs to see 3 key conditions to run its self-test. First is a cold start, meaning the car has sat with the engine off for at least 8 hours. Second, your fuel level must be between 15 and 85%, not full and not near empty. Finally, you'll need to do some steady highway cruising. Driving for about 10 minutes at a constant speed, somewhere around 55 miles per hour, usually does the trick. That combination of a cold engine, the right fuel level, and smooth driving allows the monitor to run. Without this procedure, you could have a perfectly good seal, but the light will stay on. That might lead you to think the problem is a more expensive part, like a canister, vent solenoid, when it was just the gas cap all along. So try conditioning that O-ring and performing a proper drive cycle.